Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful new machine that's turning heads in the heavy equipment world, the Hitachi Dumper 2025. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a full-on leap into the future of construction and mining vehicles. Let's get into it. First off, the design is bold and aggressive. The 2025 model features a sleek aerodynamic frame and comes in a stunning ultra-glossy orange finish that screams premium. The build quality is top tier, rugged where it needs to be, yet refined with high-end materials that feel durable and advanced. Under the hood, the dumper is equipped with a next-generation powertrain that delivers both massive torque and fuel efficiency. Whether you're hauling across uneven terrain or pushing through long shifts, this beast doesn't flinch. The 2025 edition also introduces smarter load distribution technology, helping operators maintain balance and safety, especially when fully loaded. Now let's talk about the interior, a space that's often overlooked in dumpers, but not this time. The dashboard is fully digital, with a multi-display setup that shows everything from terrain data to real-time diagnostics. Touch controls, ergonomic seats, and a climate-controlled cabin mean operators won't just work, they'll be comfortable doing it. The rear of the vehicle features enhanced hydraulic systems for faster and more precise dumping operations. Hitachi has clearly invested in efficiency and user control, which is exactly what you want from a high-performance dumper. On the tech side, it's loaded. GPS tracking, collision sensors, automatic maintenance alerts. It's like the cockpit of a jet, but for the ground. Safety features are intelligent and responsive, and connectivity options make fleet management easier than ever. In real-world use, the 2025 model handles steep grades and rough terrain like it's nothing. Operators are reporting smoother control, better visibility, and a noticeable drop in operating noise. That's a huge plus on noisy construction sites. So, is the Hitachi Dumper 2025 worth the hype? If you need cutting-edge performance, reliability, and a touch of luxury in a workhorse, then absolutely. It's more than a dumper. It's a next-gen tool built for demanding environments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more heavy equipment reviews. Drop a comment if there's a machine you want us to check out next. See you in the next one.